Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Shop Air Compressor New Model 2021. Top 10. 10. HPDAVV Heavy Duty Inflator Air Dryer Refrigerated System, 48 CFM, 0.58 kW, 110 V/1 pH/60 Hz, NPT1 fit for 7.5 horsepower - 10 horsepower industrial rotary screw compressor. Specification: 48 CFM SE10A refrigerated compressed air dryer for 10 horsepower compressor. 1 random precision filter for free. Environmental protection: in response to the International Montreal Agreement, this series of models all adopt R134A and R407 environmental protection refrigerants. The destruction to the atmosphere is zero and meet the needs of the international market. Advantages: the SE series compressor air dryer operates without the elevated vibration and sound levels normally associated with typical piston compressors. HPDAVV compressors feature a small footprint and are built to provide exceptional reliability and extremely low maintenance. Top 9. 9. Compressed air dryer refrigerated type D25 and Scfm 15. Reduced energy use, efficient heat exchangers, a built-in stainless steel demister that removes all moisture, and a fully adjustable programmable electronic drain valve reduce energy use and minimize air loss. Built-in reliability, corrosion-resistant heat exchangers, an enhanced control system and high-efficiency moisture separation ensure a steady long-term supply of dry air. Smart control, easy to use, advanced microprocessor control that lets you easily adjust and manage system parameters. Equipment protection, built-in coalescing filter stops contamination by separating water and oil from the compressed air. Consistent clean, dry air. Variable speed fans reduce power consumption when units operate at less than maximum cooling capacity, while ensuring a consistent dew point. Top 8. 8. HPDAVV Heavy Duty Air Compressor 5.5 horsepower / 4 kW, 230 V/60 Hz / 3 pH, 7 CFM at 4500 psi, dual outlet, auto shutdown, Paintball Scuba tank filling pump. Specification: flow rate, 200 liters per minute, 7 CFM, working pressure, 300 bar / 4500 psi. Engine power, 230 V/60 Hz, 4 kW / 5 horsepower, 3-phase. Filling time, 15 minutes for 12 liters air tank. Conforming to standards of EN 12021 and GB 18435-2001. Dual outlet filling station, with 2 exhaust ports, the gas supply is more rapid. Application: widely used in industry, scuba diving, firefighting, outdoor construction, scientific research and pressure testing, and laboratory. Standard warranty: HPDAVV provided with 1-year warranty, the air end with 2-year warranty and lifetime maintenance. We also have some of the best air supplier are able to support the after-sales services. Top 7. 7. California Air Tools 8010 SPC Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free 1 horsepower steel tank air compressor and soundproof cabinet, 8 gallon. Ultra quiet, only 40 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs, 8.0 gallon steel tank, soundproof steel cabinet with swivel wheels, 3.00 CFM at 90 psi, 4.00 CFM at 40 psi. Top 6. 6. SS5 5 horsepower 60 gallon single stage air compressor, 230V, single phase. Long life, durable cast iron construction, long-lasting extended pump life designed for over 5,000 hours of trouble-free use, maximum power and flexibility, 100% continuous duty, high-pressure operation up to 135 psig, and a 60-gallon vertical ASME receiver tank provide plenty of punch for the most demanding applications. Easy operation, automatic start-stop pressure switch control, fully assembled and pre-wired delivery, easy to change filter, oil sight gauge and easy to fill oil port. Simplify operation and maintenance, advanced safety features, manual thermal overload protection of the motor and a totally enclosed belt guard provide constant protection, reliable operation, all-season select synthetic lubricant increases efficiency. With 2,000 hours of service between changeouts, it performs 4 times longer than petroleum-based lubricants. Top 5. 5. Dule DXCM 201 20 gallons 200 SI oil LUBED belt drive electric air compressor. Industry-leading 2-stage performance, 200 maximum PSI provides 53% longer air-tool runtime versus 20-gallon 155 PSI belt drive air compressors. 6.2 Scfm at 90 PSI provides the ability to operate a larger selection of air tools, precision automotive-style pistons for greatly improved balance and durability, 78 bar operational noise level for a quieter work environment than direct-drive oil-free compressors, high-flow regulator and coupler provide maximum airflow to air tools, 10 inches. Heavy-duty pneumatic wheels for maximum portability around the shop or job site. Top 4. 4. Dule DXCM271.com 27 gallons 200 PSI portable air compressor. 5.1 Scfm at 90 PSI provides faster recovery times resulting in increased project efficiency. 6.8 Scfm at 40 PSI provides the ability to operate an HVLP spray gun. 78 dBA brings less noise to your work environment and is 30% more quiet than similar oil-free induction products. Low-volt easy start motor will operate with extension cords of at least 12 gallons and 50 feet or less. High-flow regulator and couplers provide max airflow to your tool to operate at the peak performance. Robust dual-purpose handle provides additional protection to the compressor along with serving as a hose wrap. 2 inches gauges allow for an easy-to-read surface. This unit ships small parcel, UPS or FedEx. Top 3. 2. California Air Tools CAT 60,040 Canadian dollars Ultra Quiet 60 gallons compressor. Ultra quiet only 75 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs. 60.0 gallon steel ASME air tank. 2 powerful 2.0 horsepower, rated/running, motors, 10.60 CFM. Top 2. 2. California Air Tools CAT 60,040 Canadian dollars Ultra Quiet 60 gallons compressor. Ultra quiet only 75 decibels, oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs. 60.0 gallon steel ASME air tank. 2 powerful 2.0 horsepower, rated/running, motors, 10.60 CFM at 90 PSI and 12.60 CFM at 40 PSI. Top 1. 1. Ingersoll Rand SS3J 5.5 GHWB 5.5 horsepower 8-gallon oiled gas twin pontoon compressor. Portable design, lightweight with excellent maneuverability even on the roughest terrain, perfect for environments where electricity is unavailable, maximum power and flexibility, 100% continuous duty. Twin 8-gallon tanks and 2 quick disconnect couplers enable you to run multiple tools simultaneously. Easy starting, features 5.5 horsepower Honda reliable, easy to start gas-powered engine, long life, durable cast iron construction, long-lasting extended pump life designed for over 5,000 hours of trouble-free use, reliable operation, all-season select synthetic lubricant increases efficiency. With 2,000 hours of service between changeouts, it performs 4 times longer than petroleum-based lubricants.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.